You're digging through rubble. I'm losing hope in the shadows of rust. It's hard to cope. Day after day and your dreams don't change, stacking up heartbreak in the pouring rain. You say you're fixin' to build us a life, but I'm left with sorrow being your wife. Tired of rust and old engines, your yard's a graveyard. It's more than I can bear. Freedom, oh, freedom is more than old steel you're hauling here. How much more can I take, darling? Junk cars and dreams, they're all falling apart. Broken promises and shattered glass, your dreams are fixing up, they never last. Leaving is hard, but staying's hell. With every rusty ride, I lose myself. How much more can I take, darling? Junk cars and dreams, they're all falling apart. Rope nights get colder without a spark. Your hands are calloused, but you miss the mark. You say you'll turn those wheels around, but all I've known is this same old town. Windows broken, hearts the same. I'm packing up memories with every tear and pain. Tired of hollow words about brighter days, I'm seeing nothing but a rusty haze. This love we built, now buried in scrap. Each kiss I gave, every hug, every clap. So tonight I'm driving far away from the junkyard dreams where I used to stay. No more rust, no more lies, no more hesitation. Put the key in the ignition, I'm done with this station. Rear view mirror filled with what's left behind. Road ahead looks like freedom, so clear in my mind. How much more can I take, darling? Junk cars and dreams, they're all falling apart.